Awesome animal facts. Number 1. Only hummingbirds have been shown to have the ability to fly backward. Number 2. According to the latest estimates, there are more than 1.4 billion insects on the globe for every human. Number 3. The mayfly is the shortest living thing on the planet. It only has a 24-hour lifespan as an adult. Number 4. Koalas can sleep for up to 22 hours a day. Number 5. Even after having its head cut off, a cockroach can still live for weeks. Number 6. There are 14,000 teeth on an average garden snail.